Tired of shouting into the void, of ads that miss the mark? At DMD Creative, we understand that true connection isn't about noise. It's about precision. We go beyond the surface. Our proprietary user targeting data doesn't just outperform primary and in-platform metrics. It redefines them. We dive deeper, uncovering insights that unlock genuine engagement. This isn't just about reaching more people. It's about reaching the right people, the ones who will become your most loyal advocates. We empower brands to shatter perceived limitations, to scale past ceiling caps, and achieve exponential growth. Our approach is built on a foundation of creative excellence and unparalleled efficiency. Every pixel, every line of code, every campaign strategy is meticulously crafted for maximum impact. We don't just build brands, we cultivate lasting relationships. By understanding your audience on a profound level, we expand retention rates, turning casual browsers into devoted customers. Quality, creativity, efficiency, data-driven success. DMD Creative, elevating your brand beyond expectations.